Another quick Oracle clip.
Let's learn how to control Oracle VM VirtualBox at the command line using VBoxManage. Let's go. From the command line of the host operating system, let's first view a list of all the virtual machines registered with Oracle VM VirtualBox. Let's enter VBoxManage followed by the list subcommand, and then the option VMs. The output is a list of all registered virtual machines. Each virtual machine is listed by name and then its UUID. This is a helpful command to know as a virtual machine's name or UUID is used in other commands like start VM, modify VM, or control VM. The list contains all registered virtual machines regardless of state. These virtual machines could be running or powered off. Let's find out which virtual machines are running. Enter VBoxManage, followed by the list subcommand, and then the option running VMs. This output shows us that the Oracle Linux 8 virtual machine is currently running. The list subcommand can be altered with two common options. The long option shows detailed information about each information entry if available, and the sorted option sorts the list output alphabetically. Let's alter our first VBoxManage list VMs command with the long option. Enter VBoxManage followed by the list subcommand, and then enter the long option, and then the VMs option. The output is a list of all registered virtual machines, but this time it includes the configuration information or log file contents for each entry. So far, we have covered using the list subcommand to view virtual machine details, but the list subcommand can also be viewed to view system information. Some list options are the available bridged network interfaces, available guest operating systems, host system information, and virtual machine groups. To view these resources and configuration details, enter VBoxManage followed by the list subcommand, and then enter the corresponding option. Here we will view available groups. I encourage you to check out all of the different system information and VM configuration details that are viewable with the list subcommand by visiting the Oracle VM VirtualBox documentation.
You can see more clips here, and don't forget to subscribe to always get the latest.